Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This is my third video in a row that is going up, so I'm like so proud of myself right now that I'm actually sticking to it, but I really need to because of that special video that is going up on Monday. And so in order to be all caught up, I need to get all these plan with me's up for you guys. So this week I'm using this kit from SPC called Two Worlds. Once I saw this art that came out, I'm pretty sure it was from Kitness Jess. I was like absolutely in love. I thought the elephant, that was just like the selling point for me. Like the way that it was like put into this kit, I thought it was so cute. And that is definitely like my favorite box that is in this spread. But yeah, so this is like a Tarzan themed kit, so it definitely falls into what I'm doing this month. Because of the month of September, I am using all Disney kits. And I think after this week, or after like I'm done with all these, I don't think I have any more Disney kits, which is so weird because I've had these, what, like 5 kits in my collection for a while and just have never used them. So I'm happy to be using these now. The bougie boxes I'm using are from Rose Colored Days, and the header overlays that I'm going to be using as well is from SPC. I don't have too much to talk about in this base, just as always, I don't really have much to talk about. Here I'm just finishing up the sidebar. I'm just tracking my work schedule, which I actually have not filled out. And then I'm also tracking eating at home, which we've been really good with lately. We hardly ever DoorDash anymore just because of the location that we're in. Nothing's really close to us to DoorDash. So we've been really good with just cooking at home. And yeah, so don't really know what else went on this week. There's not a whole bunch, just like a normal week, I'm pretty sure. Um, so I'm just going to go ahead and let myself finish putting down the base, and then we will go in and talk about the day by day. Since I have some extra time here, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I will have that link down below as always, just so you guys can see close-ups of everything, and I've been trying to be a little more active on there. Also, if I forget to mention anything in this plan with me, if any of like the stickers, if I forget to mention where some of those are from, feel free to ask them down below. I know I'm really bad at responding to comments, but earlier today I did respond to a lot of you guys. So I'm going to hopefully keep on doing that, especially with me posting so often this week. I'm definitely going to try and keep track of that. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I finished doing the sidebar here, and the Eat at Home script is from Letters to Apollo, which you can use my coupon code, which is Erica10, to receive 10% off of your order. And then along with all my other coupon codes, I will have those linked down below. And then the first thing I am marking on Monday is it was a Labor Day. The Labor Day script is from Kinsey's Creations, which I also have a coupon code for that shop. So check that out. And then I also baked some cookies this day. They did not come out very good. We actually still have them. I need to throw them away because they've been sitting here since we've been gone in California. Yeah, they weren't the best ones. I try and do a different recipe every time I do cookies, but I don't recommend this one. I don't remember which one it was, but it definitely was not the best. The bake script is actually from, I think it's from, where is that from? I'm pretty sure it's from Murdoch Talks. I could be wrong, but I think that's where it's from. And then I cooked some pizza this day. The cooked script is from Right Brain Paper Co. And I use a pizza doodle, or yeah, kind of doodle icon from SPC. I also baked Lala's cake this day. Lala is our dog. It was her birthday the following day, so I wanted to get her cake all ready. And then I also did a huge Trader Joe's run, which is my favorite store. I don't go very often. I try and go like once a month, just kind of get the essential like Trader Joe things. So I did a big Trader Joe's run. The Trader Joe's script is a custom from Kinsey's Creations, and I used a pumpkin paper girl to mark that. Also did some laundry. The laundry script is from SPC, and the girl is from Fox and Pip. And we finished our night with watching some Dexter. The Dexter script is a custom from Adorably Amy Designs, and I used a TV icon. I think it's from Right Brain Paper Co. as well. Moving on into Tuesday, I used a happy birthday script from Letters to Apollo to mark it was Lala's birthday. She turned 2. She is a Frenchie. These Frenchie stickers are actually from Ice Cream Joe. I think she may have them in her shop. I know she did put them in my order, the very first order I ever made from her, like that first week she opened. So I knew she threw those in there, but I don't know if they're in her shop. And Lala, our dog, is not this color, a lavender. She's a cream, I believe, is what the term is. I don't really know. I'm not really big into Frenchie, like terminology, and all their different colors that they have. But I do need to see if I can find some that do match her color. But anyway, those are where those 2 stickers are from. Also made some boba this day. I've been super into making boba because there's not a boba place close to me. Because nothing is close to me. So I just ordered a 6-pound bag from Amazon and I just make boba whenever I feel like it. So it's a really, like, it's so much cheaper because I think the whole bag was maybe $12, and that's about like how much 2 trips to like a boba place is. So I'm like, this is worth the money, and it's really not hard to cook boba. It takes like 5 minutes. And then I also use a cake doodle to mark that we celebrated Lala's birthday and took some pictures and sang her happy birthday. And then I also had a crime binge this day. The crime binge is a custom from Right Brain Paper Co. And then I used a paper and milk maru to mark that. Also cooked some tacos this day for dinner. The Okay, sorry. Like the microwave just went off and I'm not sure why. I had Dean cook dinner today and I don't think he did it right. Okay, so I might need to go check on that in a minute. So the cooked script is from Station Stickers, which I also have a coupon code for. It's just my name, Erica, and then just kind of depending on what is going on, you'll get like that certain amount off if there's like a sale or something. And then on Tuesday, I also did a Lululemon order, and then we ended our night with having beers together. Moving on into Wednesday, I edited a plan with me. The edit plan with me script is from Letters to Apollo, and then I also just had a super early morning. So I used a wake up early script from Right Brain Paper Co. and a Coffee Monsters Co. emoji. And then this day, Dean did go back to hockey. He plays hockey. He hasn't gone in a long time just because of everything going on. So I just wanted to mark that this was his first day back. And then since he was like at hockey for like 4 hours, I feel like, I decided to make a really yummy breakfast. I did get this like Asiago bread. It's like extreme Asiago bread. It's like super cheesy. And I made breakfast sandwiches with it, and it was the best breakfast sandwich I've ever made. It was so good. I made it with a egg over easy, and it was just delicious. And then I also did a YouTube binge. The YouTube binge script is also from Station Stickers. And then to end my day on Wednesday, I had a tummy ache. I've been having a lot of stomach issues. I know I've had them like maybe a couple months ago and I marked it a whole bunch in my planner, but it's coming up again. So I used an emoji to mark that. Moving on into Thursday, I was working late this day. I don't remember how late. I'd have to check when I write down my times, but I did end up working late. So the work late script is from Kinsey's Creations, and I used a glam planner Kisma to mark that. And then I just had a tummy ache the whole entire day. So I used a munchkin to mark my tummy ache, and I just didn't eat the whole day. So once it was like time for bed, I was like, you know what, I'm so hungry because I didn't eat all day. So we had a late night mac and cheese. Those are always fun. I love the mac and cheese from Trader Joe's, and it's just quick and easy. So I always get a couple of those, and just whenever we want like a late night snack or something, we'll share one. So that's what we did that night. And then we watched Dexter because what else is new? Love Dexter. I'm so sad we actually did finish it think the week we left, so like 2 weeks ago. And I'm so sad that we finished it because I love that show. And then also this day I decided to finally look for a doctor because I mean, we're going to be here for a little while longer, so I needed to search for one just so that I had one while we were here in Arizona. And then I ended my night with filming a plan with me. Moving on into Friday. Friday was the first cool day since being here. Like, it wasn't over 100 degrees, so it was so nice. Didn't have to have the AC blasting all day. I used a SPC girl to mark that. And this day was also our first day on SM, which is the social market. So now Lululemon, we do offer you to like purchase like items through Instagram and now Facebook. Facebook wasn't live during this time, but it did open up, I think, last week. So I'm part of that new team of the social marketplace, which is really cool because this is like the first wave of people that are in it. And it's just really interesting. It's a whole new thing that we're doing. So I used a GP girl to mark that. And then I also had a meeting with my team lead this day. I used a Stick with the Plan Co girl to mark that, and then cooked dinner with Dean. I don't remember what we cooked, but I used a Wonton and a Million sticker to mark that. The cooked dinner script is from Adorably Amy Designs, and the with Dean script is from Right Brain Paper Co. And then I also FaceTimed my dad, possibly. It was probably my dad, and I used another Stick with the Plan Co girl. Moving on into Saturday, I started my morning with having my morning coffee. The morning coffee script is from Murdoch Talks, and then I also played The Sims this day. I think this is the day I may have downloaded some more custom content, or maybe I just was playing. I don't remember. But this play sim script is from Sticky Essentials. I don't know if she still offers it in her shop. I know it's a really old script, but that's where I got it from. And then the emoji is what I used for The Sims. And then I also made a super yummy sandwich for lunch this day with that Asiago bread from Trader Joe's. And then for dinner, we DoorDash some oreganos, which we have not had oregano since being here. Oregano is like a really well-known Italian place here, and I don't know if it's throughout Arizona, but it's definitely like in this area. We had it back in January when we came over here to visit for my birthday, and we just haven't had it since, and Dean loves it, so we finally got it. And then I guess this day I did a huge sticker shopping binge. So I used the buy all the things script from Rose Colored Days to mark that. Moving on into Sunday, this was the day we decided to do a big cleanup around the house because I didn't work, so usually Sundays is like our big cleaning day. The clean floor script is from Adorably Amy Designs, and I used a Whimsical Cat Studio Girl to mark that. Also had my morning coffee. I think we both had our morning coffee. Dean rarely ever has coffee, but I made him coffee this morning and we sat outside because it was relatively cooler. We just kind of hung out. And then also this day was just a pajama day. I stayed in my pajamas all day, which I don't really do often. But it felt like one of those days. And I used an emoji to mark that. Also had a Bones binge. The Bones binge script is from Right Brain Paper Co. And then this day, I remember we had to go to bed super early because the following Monday, which you'll see in the next plan with me, I had to work so early. I was working like East Coast time, and I'm not in the East Coast, so it was so early for me. So we had an early dinner, made some sweet and sour chicken for dinner, and then tried to go to bed early, but of course I couldn't. Lala was like barking all night for some reason and was up for a while. So yeah, this completes my plan with me. I didn't do like how I usually do at the end of my videos of showing you everything, so I'm doing it like this because I guess I didn't film it. But I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you guys like this kind of style of the end. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.